Alrighty, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing fat packs, random fat packs, World Cup Prizm, break number 242. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Simply search Soccer Breakers FC. Check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers Only. All right, let me post this onto Facebook. Tell them we are live. All right, this is World Cup Prizm number 242. There are your names. I'm going to randomize those names to determine who gets what pack. So we're going to open this one as usual and number the packs, and then we will determine who gets which pack. All right, so there's one, there's two, there's three. Just numbering all these packs 1 through 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I'll try to do your packs together, just so whatever numbers you draw, best as I can. Let's see what enough of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I probably need some more of these baggies. One sec, guys. Let me see if I have more bags. Just give me a sec, guys, while I set this up. Hey, Alex. Can you do me a favor? Bring me a bag of those graded sleeve bags up to the room because I'm breaking and I need those. For just one of the graded sleeves. All right, thanks. All right, bye. Bye. All right, so here we go, guys. Here we go. We're gonna roll the dice. We re-roll snake eyes. Otherwise, we go with it. 9 times. 9 times. This will determine who gets which packs. We're going 9 times. We have Asif, Gavin, Asif, Kristen, Adriano, Justin, and Adriano. Again, we're going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final. Good luck. 9. 9 times. Justin on top. Wow, Adriano got all the ones at the end. So we'll just kind of go by the order there. So here's what we'll do. Let's get rid of that one. Get rid of that one as well. All right, here we go on that, guys. So, for pack number 1 goes to Justin Kramer.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Perfect. So pack number 1, Justin Kramer. Hey, Harvey, Teddy, John, Nick, what's going on? So Justin Kramer, this is your pack. Is that 2 or 1? Oh, that's 1. That's 2. Red Gutierrez. You have an El Neni. Behind that, you got Jan Vertonghen, Sung Young, and Blas Perez. Sorry, Justin, nothing too sexy in that pack. $242. All right, number 2. Asif Raza. Okay, Asif, you have number 2, number 6, 7, and number 12. So we'll try to do those for you in a row here. So you got number 2. Good luck with this. This is number 2. We'll do all 4 of your packs. All right, we got Silver, Youngmin, Firmino, El Hadari, Herrera, and Schön. That's your first pack. Thank you, Asif. All right, Asif, you also have packs 6 and 7. So we'll take those out of order here. Pack number 6. That belongs to Asif. Good luck, Asif. Romelu Lukaku, silver. Götze and Mueller. Nice one there. Harry Kane. Harry Kane, John Obi Mikel, and Kvist. Get your Harry Kane top loaded. All right. 6. All right, so we did 6. Now we do 7. This is also Asif. Good luck, Asif. Your third pack. General B. McHale. Sadio Mane. Phone. All right, Alui behind that. Red Prizm. Kagawa. Kagawa for Japan. New Era. Dybala. Behind that, we got Ever Banega. Tadic and Asensio. All right, your last pack, Asif. 6 and 7. Your last pack is number 12. Good luck, Asif. Last pack. Well, that's a nice little start. How about that, Asif? Nice. Pack 12 was the big winner. All right, let's get that top loaded for you right away. Congrats, Asif. A little Mbappe action already. Stegen, Chicha. All right, your silver is Gunnarsson silver. A nice one there, Timo Werner. And nice one there, De Bruyne, Shinwook, and Godoy. So that was a nice, very nice pack. You got an Mbappe base. You got a De Bruyne multicolor Prizm there, and you also got a Timo Werner. It's pretty solid. Definitely the best pack there. All right, congrats, Asif, on your 4 packs. You got some nice stuff there. Congrats, congrats. There you go, Asif. All right. Who's next? Kristen. Kristen where? Oh, Justin had another pack too in pack 5. I didn't do Justin's second pack. I didn't see Justin had 2 spots. Alright, so Kristen. This one is also a thief. Yeah, Justin has a second pack. Alright, pack 3. Pack 3 belongs to Kristen Ware. Here you go, Kristen. Good luck. Let's hope we can pull you something sick. Nice little silver Mbappe would be nice. Banega, Harry Kane, Lukaku, Kihan, Glick, Jassim, Ochoa. Let's go down. Alright, let's see who we got here for your red. Good luck. Well, Mateo Kovacic, red. Victor Moses, Nigeria Fundamentals. Gylfi Sigurdsson, Alireza Jahanbakhsh, and Emil Forsberg. Sorry, Kristen, not the best of packs there. If you guys need me to, I could post some more stuff. I'm not going to break anything that I post, obviously, today, but yeah, I will be posting more Topps Finest. I will be posting more Chronicles, obviously. I've seen a lot of Chronicles. Gavin Dolph, number 4. Gavin Dolph. Also, guys, Wednesday is going to be release day for Chronicles, so I will be on all day. As with all release days, we'll be doing free giveaways. So if you want a chance to win free stuff, just hang out with us. That's all it takes. We're going to be having a lot of release days coming up over the next month or two. Seems like products just popping up left and right. Diego Reyes. Renato Sanchez, Matuidi, Fabianski, and Ndiaye. That was pack 4. That was Gavin. All right, Justin, you got your second pack coming there. Sorry, I forgot to do it. All right, pack 5 goes to Justin also. So Justin, you already had 1 pack. This is pack number 2 for you. De Bruyne, Pogba, your red prism goes to Matt Leckie, red. Sweden, Forsberg. Behind that, we got Lukaku, Young One, and Gabriel Torres. Right, that was also Justin. So Justin, you got both packs there. All right, so now we got 8, 9, 10, and 11 are all Adriano. 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is just basically the rest is all yours, Adriano. Good luck. 8, 9, 10, and 11. I think I'm like a 50-50. Top half wins. You would have been in trouble. All right, nice one there. How about Leroy Sané? Leroy Sané, German rookie there. Vermaelen, Griezmann, Jesus, Dejaga. Nice. Silver Harry Kane. Congrats, Adriano. Silver Harry Kane. This is the story of a Harry Kane. Behind that, we got Keylor Navas, Sakai, and Shaqiri. All right, these are all Adriano. That was pack 8. So here we go with pack 9. Yeah, after this we'll do Finest. We're going to do Finest. We have 4 breaks sold out. We're going to start with those there. Fly through those. And that's probably going to be it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where we're at afterwards. Silver, Ricardo Rodriguez. Fundamentals, Courtois. Then we got Boateng, Kokorin, and Benamor. These are all for Adriano. Pack 10, Adriano, and then you got one more after that. Okay, that one. Nice Ronaldo. PC Ronaldo for Adriano. All right, red. Zagoev. Koric, Marcelo, Dejaga, and Kalinic. All right, last pack of the break, last pack for Adriano. Good luck, Adriano. Pack 11 is yours also. Pack 11. Come on, we need a little Mbappe Prizm action. Campbell. There's our silver. Haddadi, Tunisia. We got Iniesta. Nice little Pogba. Milic and Kouyaté. Four there. All right, there you go, Adriano. You had silver, Kane, Ronaldo, Sane. You had all of these here. And all these prisms there. And then you had some silvers and red as well. All right, let's go with this. All right, that does it for World Cup Prizm number 242. Thank you, thank you. Let me end the tape there.